All right, Connor and Jack. As soon as we got off of the Google Meet, I remembered how to do this. So here we go. First, let's talk about adding the different points to this. I was going to double click my freeform. That gets me into this purple box. I have all these different things. I don't want to add points. What I want to do is add faces. So to do that, what I want to do is come up here to subdivide. And then I can just say, okay, I want this thing subdivided. Let's subdivide this into 4 wide, 4 tall. I'm gonna say I want this part right here, this face subdivided. And you can see how it subdivided it out. I just say okay, and I now have more points that I can work with inside of here. So that's how you create the multiple points. You want to subdivide inside of modify. Now to scale this thing, I am going to also, I want to be in here. So I have this purple box and I want to go to this edit form right here. This is how you scale the thing. And we're trying to scale this thing uniformly. So in here where it says transform mode all, let's just change this one to scale, make our lives so much easier. And we want to scale this whole piece. So I'm actually just gonna say we want it all. And I now have the scale part inside of here. What I want to do is click on the dot in the center. This way I'm globally scaling this thing. In which case then, oops, I just grabbed an arrow. I didn't want to do that. Do that. We're scaling. We're getting everything here. I want this little dot. And now up here, it's asking me, what do I want to scale this thing? So I'm going to say I want this thing to be twice as high. There you go. Now it scaled it both width and height for me. Or I can say, I should be able to say measure. Actually, let's show dimensions. Got it all. 1.25. You can see I'm scaling this up and down as I need. So for scaling, it's under edit freeform. Just change the scale. It probably does help to have something next to it. That way you can scale it against what it is. So make yourself a tube or something like that, put it right next to it in the assembly so that you have a visual representation to go with. And then to add the faces, we want to just subdivide, or we can insert edges, but it's over in here in the modify. So I go in here and say, hey, that one made another edge if I wanted to. That's just giving me that simple line. Uh, or subdivide it, and this will give me squares. All right, I hope this helps you out. Let me know if there's any questions.